Toras attempt for 3. Binitawan agad ng 3. Jersey number 11. Listal to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Attempt for long 2. Sobrang lakas. Agawang bola. Nakuha ni jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 44. Dangkalan. Pass. 14 to shit. Jersey number 7. Listan to shit. Pumasok. Kasal. Last 5 shot clock. Out of bounds. Bola sa Real Tech Glass. Nistal to jersey number 15. Pass back to Nistal. Nistal to ship. Nugget. Kung nila parang Nugget. La Luces attempt. Nugget. Nakuha ng jersey number 10. Long pass. Attempt for 2. Correct. 2 points. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 nagdadala ng bola. Jersey number 7. 15 to shit. Pass. Binabantay ng maigi. Listan to shit. Jersey number 18. Sa gilid attempt. Sobrang lakas. Nakuha ni jersey number 3. Baseball pass. Sobrang lakas. Out of bounds. Ball sa Attorney Rex. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 nagdadala ng bola. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 10. 15 to shit. Jersey number 10. Out of bounds. Bola sa Real Tech Glass. Jersey number 31. Nistal pass ni Rosa, back to Nistal. 14 to shit. Pass. Kadungog. Pass to jersey number 10. Ni Rosa. Attempt for 3. Kunal 3 points ni Sora. Jersey number 44. 15 to shit. Go on. Intercept by jersey number 10. To jersey number 12. To jersey number 31. Correct. 2 points. Jersey number 31. Jersey number 10 ang itagapasahan. To jersey number 44. Pumasok from the free throw area 10. Sobrang lakas. Nakuha na jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 12. To jersey number 10. Ni Rosa to jersey number 12. Pumasok. Pass sa gilid. Naiwan ang bola. Out of bounds. Same ball. 14 to shit. Timeout. Attorney Rex. Remaining time 4 minutes 38 seconds. Score 7-3 in favor of Real Tech Glass. The basketball game players. 14 to shit. Score 7-3 in favor of Real Tech Glass and Luminum Services. Pass, binabatay ng maigi ni jersey number 44 to jersey number 10, ni Rosa. Less 10 to shit. Jersey number 12 nakawala, but there's a foul. Foul jersey number 44, black and foul. Sideline inbound. First personal foul. First team foul. Jersey number 12 from the outside to Nistal. Listan to shoot. Jersey number 12. Attempt for 2. It's a plain block. Nakuha na jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Binabantay na maigi. Long pass to Gasal. Gasal pass to jersey number 44. Gustong pumasa. Connect. 2 points. Jersey number 44. Jersey number 7, proper tuck in, kaya para iwas technical. Ni Rosa attempt, negative. Nakuha ni jersey number 10, pass to jersey number 7, and there's a foul. Foul jersey number 12, illegal use of hands, baseline inbound. First personal foul, first team foul. Jersey number 15 from the outside. Jersey number 15 ang itong kapasahan. Pass to jersey number 7, pumasok. Tugasal attempt, negative, agawan, kalaparan. Connect, 2 points, jersey number 7. Score, deadlock 7. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 nagdadala ng bola. Pass back to jersey number 12. 15 to shoot. He's 10 to shoot. Jersey number 10 sa malayo. Sobrang lakas. Nakuha ni jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 nagdadala ng bola. Jersey number 7 to Gasal. Gasal to jersey number 44. Attempt for 3. Negative. Nakuha ni jersey number 3. Long pass. Nakuha ni jersey number 44 to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 to jersey number 18. Gasal. Agawang bola sa ere. Nakuha ni jersey number 10 to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 pass. Intercept to jersey number 44 to jersey number 10. Laluses. Attempt for 2. Connect. 2 points. Laluses. Score 7-9 in favor of Attorney Rex. Mistal, nangitang kapasahan. Mistal pass. 15 to shit. Jersey number 21 sa ilalim attempt. Negative, kanya pa rin. Agawa, jersey number 3 attempt. Negative, but there's a foul. Foul jersey number 18. Lilit the hand, 2 throws. First throw for Mamehe. First personal, second team foul. First throw, basket. Last throw for Mamehe, jumpers ready. Million, nakuha ni jersey number 18 ang bola. Score, 8-9. 1 point lead, Attorney Rex. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 15. Gusto pumasok, negative. Agawan, nakuha ni jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, pass. Jersey number 31, pass to jersey number 15. Attempt for 2, negative. Agawang bola sa ere, nakagulo-gulo na. Nakuha ni jersey number 44 ang bola. Remaining time 1 minute 40 seconds. Out of bounds, save ball. Sabre. Gawas mo gawas. Sulod ang masulod. Tawaga lang. Jersey number 10 for the outside. Jersey number 10 pass. Jersey number 12 of 10 for a long 2. Connect. 2 points. Score 10-9. 1 point lead. Real Tech Glass. Jersey number 7. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 7 ang itang kapasahan. Pass. Attempt for 3. Connect. 2 points. Jersey number 6. Score 10-12. Lamang na duha ang Attorney Rex. 15 to shoot. Agawang bola. Seconds to play. Less 10 to shoot. Sabras. Mula sa magawa. Sulod ang masulod. 14 to shoot. Seconds to play. Second personal, third team foul. Let's time to shoot. 50 game clock. Minabantayan. Let's 5 shot clock. Basket. Let's 40 seconds. Score. Deadlock 12. 35 seconds game clock. 15 to shoot. Attempt for 3. No good. Kalapan na bola. Attempt. Agawang bola sa ere. Umikot pa. Nugget, agawang bola sa ere. Kanila pa rin. Nugget, agawan. Ako na jersey number 22. Last 14 seconds. Jersey number 7. Last 10 seconds. Basket. Last 5 seconds. Wait for the whistle. Okay. Masing matingala mo ha, nga dugay ato ang seconds kay natin milliseconds. Score 14-12 in favor of Attorney Rex. Second 5, ball position, real tech glass. Depensa ang Attorney Rex. Jersey number 27 from the outside, Tunyot. Tunyot to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, fake, pass. Tunyot. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 8, attempt for 3. No good. Nakuha ang jersey number 4 ang bola. Jersey number 4 to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 to Moral. Moral ng itang kapasahan to jersey number 10. 15 to shoot sa malayo. No good. Nakuha ang jersey number 4. Nagawang bola sa ere. Nakuha ang jersey number 19. To shoot. Let's time to shoot. Jersey number 44. 15 to shoot. And there's a jersey number 29 and holding foul. Unyot. Unyot nagdadala ng bola. To shoot. Unyot attempt for 3. Nugget. Hila pa rin. Basket. Score. Deadlock 14. Jersey number 44. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 44. Attempt for 3. Nugget. Nakuha ang jersey number 8 ang bola. Jersey number 8, pass to Unyot. Unyot, long pass. Out of stepping in the line. Bola sa Attorney Rex. Jersey number 44. Jersey number 44, nagdadala ng bola. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 44 to jersey number 4 to jersey number 10. Let's time to shoot. Attempt for 2. Connect. 2 points. Jersey number 10. Unyot. Unyot. Pass. Back to Unyot. 15 to shoot. Unyot. Pass. Sa ilalim. Attempt for 2. Connect. 2 points. Jersey number 22. Score. Deadlock 16. Jersey number 44. Jersey number 44 nagdadala ng bola. 15 to shoot. Last time to shoot. Attempt. Basket count. And there's a foul. Basket count. Foul jersey number 8. Leave the hand. Bonus throw. Sabref. First personal. First team foul. Bonus throw, jumpers ready. Basket. Score 16-19 in favor of Attorney Rex. Remaining time 5 minutes. Jersey number 19 to jersey number 27. No good. Kanila pa rin. Basket. Jersey number 44. Jersey number 44 nagdadala ng bola. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 4 attempt for 2. Connect. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Akabal. Akabal to Onyot. Onyot nagdadala ng bola. Onyot. Onyot pass. Jersey number 8. 14 to shoot. Kala pa rin. Nugget. Nagawang bola sa ere. Out of bounds. Same ball. Just 13 shot clock. 13 second shot clock. Jersey number 20 to Onyot. Pass. Jersey number 27 at 10. Connect. 2 points. Score 20-21. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Attorney Rex. 15 to shoot. Listen to shoot. Jersey number 4. There's 5 shot clock. And there's a traveling violation. Onyot. Onyot. Pass. Number 1. Nakuha ng jersey number 44 ang bola. Long pass to jersey number 77. Sobrang lakas nga lang. Out of bounds. Bola sa real time. 3 minutes and 10. Onyot. Long pass. Agawang bola. Palaparan. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 8 attempt for long 2. No good. Agawan. Pass to jersey number 44. Attempt for 2. Connect. 2 points. Jersey number 44. Onyot. Onyot ang dadalo ng bola. Onyot. Pass. Agawan. Intercept. Pass to jersey number 44. Time out. Field tap glass. Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 20-25. 5-point lead. Attorney Rex.
Usuludin. Sarap.
Two minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutos 30 segundos. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Ngita kapasahan. Pass to jersey number 8. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 20 attempt. Nagod ang bola sa ere. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 pass. Jersey number 77 attempt. Connect. 2 points. Manlimos. Jersey number 27 stop to jersey number 12. Remaining time 2 minutes. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 12. Pumasok. Ngita kapasahan. Less 10 to shoot. Attack. Basket. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 nagdadala ng bola. Jersey number 7 pass. 14 to shoot. Out of bounds. Same ball. Sabref. Manlimos from the outside to jersey number 7. Less 10 to shoot. Jersey number 7 pass. Intercept. Jersey number 23 to jersey number 27. Connect. 2 points. Score 24-27 in favor of Attorney Rex. Jersey number 7, Tuman Limos, attempt for 3. No good. Dagawang bola, Kalaparan, 14 to shoot. Jersey number 29, Moral, no good. Dagawang bola, nakuha na jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 ang itagkapasahan. Jersey number 8, nagdadala ng bola, seconds to play. 15 to shoot. Intercept. Jersey number 23, pass, attempt for 2, no good. But there's a foul.
Wait lang.
Foul jersey number 12, pushing foul. Sabras. Second personal, second team foul. Gawas ang mga gawas. Sulod ang masulod. Second team foul pa. Jersey number 7, 15 to shoot. Attempt for 3. No good. Nakuha na jersey number 12 pala. 40 seconds game clock. Jersey number 12 pass. A 10 basket. Jersey number 22. Score 26-27. Isa na lang kalamangan ng Attorney Rex. 25 seconds game clock. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 7 attempt for 3. No good. Last 30 seconds. No more shot clock. Akabal, binabata ng dalawa. Pass. Jersey number, and there's a foul.
Agana.
11 seconds, 11 segundos. Foul jersey number 6. Legal use of hands, 2 rows. First throw for jersey number 8. First throw, basket. Last throw, jumpers ready.
Uy, sa'yo ko.
Last throw. 2 for 2. Last 11 seconds. 11 segundos. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Wait for the whistle. Last 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds ha. Last 3 seconds. Wait for the whistle. Natay milliseconds ha. Basi matingala mo nga Dubai.
Ano ba? Yawag, Kiko.
Ambak.
Ayaw, iyak mo sa Moreno, makita. Ayaw mo ka, ibangay ko sa ba? Tumo ko nila na rin. Rino, makikita ito ba sa mga sa gabi? Sapa sa Rino, sapa sa Moreno. Ito, mangka. Ay, kaya sa
Walang medyo.
Third 5, ball position, Attorney Rex. Depensa ang real tech glass.
Okay na. Ayan, okay na? Okay na rin, okay na. Expose na ba? Bebe, hindi mo yan.
Jersey number 44. Jersey number 44 nagdadala ng bola. Pass to jersey number 18. 14 to shit. Jersey number 10 binabatay ng maigi. Last 10 to shit. Intercept by jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 nagmamadali. Pass. Jersey number 27 na 10. Sobrang lakas. Nakuha na jersey number 44 ng bola. Jersey number 44. Nabigay sa kalaban. Long pass. Sullivan. Jersey number 44. 15, Tishe. Jersey number 44, pass. Listen, Tishe. And there's a foul. Foul, jersey number 19, blocking foul. Baseline inbound. 14, shot clock. First personal, first team foul. Jersey number 10, sa gilid at 10 for 3. Sobrang lakas. Out of bounds. Ball sa. Bola sa Real Tech. Bola sa Real Tech ha. Jersey number 7, akabal to jersey number 28. Attempt for 3. Nagadagawang bola, kala pa rin. Basket count, and there's a foul. Basket count, foul jersey number 44, il get a hand, bonus throw. Second personal, first team foul.
Pag masak, sir, ako. Kinahatag naman, sir.
No good. Nakuha ang jersey number 10.
Pag-deadball lang, sir, ha?
Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 ang ito kapasahan. Jersey number 10 pass. 15 to shoot. Back to jersey number 10 to jersey number 44. Jersey number 44 back to jersey number 10. Last 10 to shoot. Jersey number 10 intercept. Long pass to jersey number 27. Connect. 2 points. Jersey number 27. Hello. Hello. 15 to shoot. Let's 10 to shoot. Attempt for 3. No good. Nakuha jersey number 16. Pass agad bola sare. Intercept jersey number 12. Attempt for 2. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 12. Score. Ano mong kalamangan ng Real Tech Glass. Jersey number 6, attempt for 3. No good. Nakuha jersey number 28. Pass. Jersey number 12 gusto pumasok. Jersey number 12 pass. Attempt for 3. No good. Pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 to jersey number 7. To jersey number 23. Binabantay ng dalawa. Attempt for 2. Correct. 2 points. Jersey number 12 umidadal ng bola. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 12 to kabal to jersey number 28 to jersey number 12. Less 10 to shoot. Attempt for 3. Correct. 2 points. A kabal.
Reserve lang pag that's all.
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. 15 to shoot. Back to jersey number 7. 3 minutes, 55. Less 10 to shoot. Jersey number 6, attempt for 2. No good. Jersey number 23 attempt, no good na kaya jersey number 10 ang bola. And there's a foul. Foul jersey number 12, blocking foul. Sabra, gawa sa magawa, sunod ang masunod. Third personal, second team foul. One loses and down for three. Korea 3 points and loses. Score 39-35. In favor of Field at Glass. 15 to shit. He's 10 to shit. There's number 19. Passengers number 8. He's 5 shot clock. Let's 1 second shot clock. 1 second shot clock. 1 second. Let's 1 second shot clock. Let's 1 second shot clock. It's a shot clock violation. Jersey number 7. 35-39. Not the official score area ha. 15 to share. Out of bounds. Belasar. Real Tech Glass. Score 39-35. Upat ang kalamangan sa Real Tech Glass. Unyok. Pass to Solovel. Solovel attempt for 3. Nege. Nagawang bola sere. Kalaparan. Foul jersey number 23, blocking foul. Sabref. 1 minute 53 seconds. Isa ka minuto 53 segundos. 14 to shit. Anya. Let's 10 to shit. Anya pumasok. Let's 5 shot clock. No good. Basket. Jersey number 7, pass, attempt for 3, no good. Nakuha ng jersey number 8, pass to Onyot, Onyot long pass, intercept by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, nagdadal na bola, jersey number 7, pass, attempt, basket. Score 41-37 in favor of Real Tech Glass. 15 to shit. Let's 10 to shit. Basket. Seconds to play. 50 seconds game clock. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 10. Let's 10 to shit. Intercept. 30 seconds game clock. Sa level lagi isang ikaw. Kuda 2 points. Jersey number 7. Proper tuck in. 30 seconds game clock. 25 game clock. 15 to shit. Let's 20 game clock. Let's 10 to shit. Attempt. No good. Let's 15 seconds. No more shot clock. Let's 10 seconds. Attempt for 3. No agad. Last 5 seconds. Wait for the whistle.
Ano ba?
Correct. 3 points.
45.
Score 45-40. Lamang og 5 ang Real Tech Glass.
Wala sa kwan.
Ball position na attorney. Nay, held ball na hitabo ang ganiha ha. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 pass. Back to jersey number 10. To jersey number 18. To jersey number 44. Attempt for 3. Negative ang bola. Jersey number 8 to Nistal. Nistal pass. To jersey number 12. 14 to shoot. Nistal to jersey number 8. Nistal to shoot. Attempt for 2. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 nagdadala ng bola. Jersey number 10 binabatay na maigi. 15 to shoot. Intercept. Long pass to Nistal. Maybe. Nakuha ang jersey number 77 ang bola. Mandinos. Pass to jersey number 16. To jersey number 44 at 10. Sobrang lakas. Agawang bola sa ere. Nakuha sa Real Tech ang bola. Jersey number 10. Attempt for 2. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 10. Score 49-40. Lamang umuybe ang Real Tech Glass. 15 to shoot. Listen to shoot. Manlima sa 10 for 3. Nugget. Nakuha ni Jersey number 3 ang bola. Jersey number 3. Tinrosa. Umikot pa. Pass. Jersey number 12 attack. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 12. Manlimas lang pass to Gasal. Connect 2 points. Gasal.
Sir, excuse me.
Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 31. 15 to shoot. Listen to shoot. Pistol fake. Intercept by jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 to jersey number 23. And there's a counted foul.
Wait lang, sir. Pa-report lang sa nato, referee. Pa-report lang sa nato.
Basket count. Foul jersey number 21. Sabre.
Bilis ko. 44. 51.
Bonus throw. Jumpers ready. One more. Basket. Score 51-45 in favor of Real Tech Glass. Pass to Dorake. Dorake pass. 14 to shoot. Dorake. Lustad to shoot. Sobrang lakas. Out of bounds. Bola sa attorney rack. Sabre. Gawas na magawa, sulod ang musulod. Jersey number 18 from the outside to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 ay dadala ng bola. Pass to Gazal. Intercept. Long pass to jersey number 10. Pass. Attack. Basket. Jersey number 7. Tula Luces. Christine Duchette. Pass. Jersey number 7 attempt. No good. Kanya pa rin. No good pa rin. Because a foul. Foul jersey number 8. Look the hand. 2 throws. First personal. First team foul. 5 minutes 54 seconds.
Pag-masyat lang, sir.
First throw, no good. Last throw, jumpers ready. 5 minutes 54. 5 minutos 54 segundos. Last throw. Sabras. Gawas sa magawas. Remaining time 5 minutes 54 seconds. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 8. 14 to shoot. Attempt for 3. Short. Ugawa. Naka jersey number 23. To jersey number 16. To jersey number 77. Manlimos. Manlimos masok. Manlimos attempt. Correct. 2 points. Manlimos. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 nagdadala ng bola. Jersey number 12 pass. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 12. Ito kapasahan. Let's start this. Hello. Attempt for 2. No. Nakuha ni Lalusas ang bola. Lalusas to Manlimos. Manlimos attempt. No good. Kala pa rin. No good. Clippers a foul. Foul jersey number 10. Pushing foul. Time up. Real top glass. Remaining time 5 minutes. Score 53-48 in favor of Real Top Glass. First personal foul, team foul.
Hire yung busing, hire. Pagasa ka doon. Apa pidato? Sino ka?
No. Manlimos, 15 to shoot. Manlimos, attempt for 3. Sobrang lakas, nagawang bola sere. Pass to Akabal. Akabal pass to Joseph McDan. And there's a foul. There's a technical. Oh, gawas lang taha. Ang mga walay labot, gawas lang. Kaparay was technical. Again. Okay, players, relax lang to. Paminaw lang mo sa hatol sa referee. Kaya tulo na sila kabuok. Tulo mo. Okay, players. All players, back to the bench mo. Kaya naghadal lang mga referee. Remaining time was 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Both teams, players, huddle. Back to the bench mo, players. All players again. jersey number 77.
Isang technical.
Jersey number 77, foul. Jersey number 77, Manlimos, technical. 1 free throw for technical, then 2 free throws for foul. Technical throw. Basket. Sabref. Huwag lang. First throw for Nerosa. Basket. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, 2 for 2. Score, 56.
57, tulo ka free throw.
56. Na official score tray. Dangkalang, papasok, and there's a foul. Foul, jersey number 12. Illegal use of fun. Remaining time was 4 minutes and 34 seconds. 14 shot clock. Dangkalang. Let's stand to shoot. Jersey number 15, let's fight! Jersey number 6, papasa ka number 2, no good, agawan. Nagkuha nila Lucis ang bola, umikot pa, pinasa. It's a plain break. Sa kanya ba rin? Basket count! May kasamang foul. Basket count, foul, jersey number 10, illegal hit to the hand. Second, personal foul and a penalty situation. Bonus throw for jersey number 23. Basket. Score 56-51. Remaining time was 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Akaba pass to jersey number. Pass 14 to shoot. Jersey number 12. The pass to Akaba. Let's start to shoot. Attack for 2. No good. The corner jersey number 15 na bola and there's a foul. Foul, jersey number 3, holding foul, penalty. Real Tech is on penalty situation. 2 throws for jersey number 15. Remaining time was 3 minutes and 53 seconds. First throw. 3 minutes and 53 seconds. First throw. No good. Second throw for jersey number 15. Jumpers ready. No good. Agawan. Igual jersey number 22 to Kadu. Kadungog pass ni Rosa. 14 to shoot. Kadungog. Let's stand. And there's a foul. Foul, jersey number 6. Second team foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 12, Padungan, Nugget. Agawan, nagkuha ni nabitawan. Bola sa Real Tech Bucks. Hadungong pass sa jersey number 22. Umikot pa. Ay! Kita-kita. It's a traveling violation. Sumayaw sa maling musika. Bola sa Attorney Rex Puras.
Serve lang.
Kuhan yung sa bola. Magpa-time out mo, sub, i-reserve daan. Jersey number 23. Tula loses. Sa gilid. Okay. Number 1. Pesca. Score 53-56. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan na Rio Tech Glass. Kadungog. Kadungog ang may camera pass to Kabang. Nakabahag pass to Kadungog. 14 to shit. Kadungog papasit. Nugget. Alawan. Pass out it. Jersey number 44. Pesca. Score 56-55. Isa na lang ang kalamangan na Rio Tech Glass. Okay, both teams, players na yan nagdula, palayo ko yung magsulod dira sa court, diretso dyan may technical ka ba? 14 to shit, kadungog to ka ba? Let's 10 to shit. Sabi, bola sa Tony Rex Flores. Remaining time is 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, players from Real Tech and Tony Rex Flores, palayo kong sulod. Ay gawas rather, ay masulod sa court. May mga igo mo draa. Players, may usahin na diretso. Remaining time was 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Lalusis. Lalusis. Setting a play at now for 3. 3 points, Lalusis. Kadungog. Kadungog pass to Nirasa, back to Kadungog to Sullivan. 14 to shot. Ate for 3. No good. Tala pa rin ang bola. No good. Out of bounds. Bola sa Rio Tech Glass. Reserve lang. Last 2 minutes. Last 10 to shit. Basket count. May kasama mo foul.
Reserve pag tayo mga 2 minutes, no?
Basket count foul. Jersey number 23. Legal hit to the head. Remaining time was 1 minute and 55 seconds. Bonus throw. Basket. Loses. 14 to shit. Attempt for 2. No good. Nakuha ni Sullivan ang bola. Sullivan. 14 to shit. Less 10. Less 5. And there's a foul. Foul, jersey number 22. Penalty. Remaining time was 1 minute and 17 seconds. Sabre. Both teams, sinagawa pa yung timeout. Penalty na. Wala silang timeout. First throw for jersey number 15. Both teams, sinagawa ang timeout. Walang gida yun. First throw. No good. Second throw for jersey number 15. Jumpers ready. Remaining time was 1 minute and 17 seconds. Pesca. Score. Deadlock 59. Kadungog. Kadungog. Pass to back Kadungog. 14 to shit. Merasa. Last 10. Attack for 3. Correct. 3 points. Jersey number 20.
Wah, di dalam kita. Ligor, di dalam kita. Dog, ligo. Corino, kini makita dong.
Foul jersey number 24. Warning for penalty. Warning foul. 44, warning for penalty. Seconds to play. Last 54 seconds. Jersey number 44, third personal foul. Last 14 t-shirt. Last 40 game clock. At time for 3. No game. Nakuha nila Lucy sa bola.
Oh, tara. Wala live na.
Last 31 seconds. 31 segundo. Score 62-61. Lamang og isa ang Real Tech Blocks.
Warning pa mo.
Real Tech is on penalty situation. Attorney Rex Puras is on warning for penalty situation. Remaining time last 31 seconds.
Shout out din sa
31
mga katapan.
segundo.
Di mo hawa.
Real Tech, one time out left. Attorney Rex Puras, two time out left.
Warning na mo.
Real Tech penalty. Attorney Rex Puras, warning for penalty.
61-62 mga kaibigan.
31 segundos.
31 seconds for the
Inyo,
final quarter.
last 30 seconds.
30.
Kadungog, pass Onyok. 14 to shit. Bakero. Last 10. Top, no good. Last 15 seconds. And there's a foul. Last 13 seconds. 13 segundos.
13 na lang mga kaibigan. 13.
13.
Sab.
Last 13 seconds, 13 segundo. First throw for Real Tech, one time out left. Attorney Rex Puras, two timeout. First throw for the losers. First throw for Belgium.
Tabla na mga kaibigan.
Second round, jumpers ready. Last 13 seconds. Time out ang pag-shot. Time out ang Real Tech.
62. All.
Score 63-62. Remaining time less 13 seconds. 13 seconds.
Sige, pag-talk.
Last started.
Last 13 seconds. Kadali lang, Rep. Kadali lang. Hello.
Kini material. Kasi naman ko pala.
Hello. Last 13 seconds. More forward from the ball. The red suit had to go. And the red suit has one like that. Last 13 seconds. 3 seconds. No more shot clock. Last time. Last 4. Very producer. Tornadoes Bullets.
Ini kursi lang ako. Upset lang mga kaibigan, kanya upset ko kanya no. Upset. Pitik eh. Picture mo kay Billy mo.
Ano sa bato siya?
Bundak, bundak. Bundak. Bundak pada bundak.